Hi, welcome to Nepal Digital Education. In this video, we are going to run our 8th program. So, let us look at the program. So, we have to print area of the circle and circumference of the circle in one single program. So, we know that area of circle is given by pi r square and circumference of circle is given by 2 pi r. So we need the value of pi and r. So let us look at the program. So first of all write CLS. Then we need the value of pi. So write CONST PI constant pi equal to 22 by 7 because the value of the pi is 22 by 7 and it is what constant. So and we need the value of r means radius of the circle. So we use input command. Input, enter the radius of the circle. Suppose radius is r. So we have to print the area of the circle. So for area equal to pi r square. So r into r pi r square. Then we have to print circumference. So circumference of circle is given by 2 pi r. So 2 into pi into r. So print this program. Print area of circle is AR EA. Print circumference of circle is, we have CIR CUM for circumference. Then in last we use in command. Here we have written for area AREA. So write here same variable AREA, same name. And here for circumference we have written CIR CUM. So write here CIR CUM because the value of area is stored in AREA and the value of circumference is stored in CIR CUM. So when we write this same name, then it will print the exact value. So run it. So enter the radius of the circle. Suppose radius is 4. So the area of the circle is 50.28571 and circumference is 25.14286. So it is right. Check once. Radius of the circle. Suppose radius of the circle is 7. So area of the circle is 154 and the circumference of circle is 44. So it is right. So thank you for watching this video.